This story teaches you about hard work, kindness, and the everyday lessons we can learn from the people around us. It's perfect for beginners who want to practice English and discover the power of simple life wisdom. Welcome to Tales Fluency, where stories teach English and inspire you to grow. In a busy city, there was a street full of shops, cars, and people. On this street, there was a small stand where a man sold food. He was a street vendor, a person who sells things in public places. The street vendor's name was Ali. He sold delicious sandwiches with fresh vegetables, meat, and cheese. He made them by hand every morning. His stand was small, but it was always busy. People came from all over the city to buy his sandwiches. They loved the taste, and they loved Ali's smile. Ali worked long hours. He woke up early every day, even on weekends, to prepare the food. He cut vegetables, grilled meat, and made bread. By the time the sun rose, he was already working. His life wasn't easy, but Ali didn't mind. He believed in hard work. Every day, he made enough food to sell to everyone who came to his stand. He knew that if he worked hard, he could help his family and give them a better life. Ali wasn't just known for his food. He was also known for his kindness. One day, a young woman named Sarah came to buy a sandwich. She was sad, and her eyes were full of tears. Ali noticed her right away. "What's wrong, Miss?" he asked with a gentle voice. Sarah told him that she had lost her job and didn't have enough money to buy food. Ali smiled kindly and said, "You can take a sandwich for free today. No one should go hungry." Sarah was surprised. "Are you sure?" "Of course," Ali said. "You have enough worries. Let me help you." Sarah took the sandwich, and for the first time in days, she felt hope. One summer afternoon, A man came to Ali's stand. He was a businessman. Wearing a suit. He looked very serious. "I would like a sandwich," he said. "But I don't want any vegetables. Only the meat and cheese. Please." Ali smiled and began making the sandwich. But the businessman grew impatient. "Hurry up. I have an important meeting," he said. Ali didn't get upset. He finished the sandwich carefully and handed it to the man. "Here you go, sir. I hope you enjoy it." The businessman didn't say thank you. He just took the sandwich and walked away. The next day, the same businessman came back. "I want another sandwich," he said. "But this time I want it with extra vegetables." Ali didn't say anything. He just made the sandwich. The businessman, looking at the sandwich, said, "Thank you for your patience." Ali smiled. He knew that patience was important. He never rushed. He always took his time to do things well. Every day, Ali worked hard. But he always made time to smile at his customers. He knew that a smile could change someone's day. Sometimes, a simple smile was all a person needed to feel better. One afternoon, a tired man walked up to the stand. He looked like he had been working all day. Ali smiled and said, "Hello, sir. What would you like today?" The man smiled back, feeling a little lighter. "I'll take a sandwich. And thank you for the smile. It made my day better." Ali didn't know the man's name, but he knew that his smile had made a difference. Ali wasn't just working for today. He was thinking about the future. Every evening, after he closed his stand, Ali would sit down with his family. They would talk about their dreams. They wanted to buy a bigger house, send the children to school, and save money for emergencies. Ali didn't spend his money on expensive things. He saved what he could. little by little. He knew that saving money was important for his family's future. One day, a man came to Ali's stand. He was the same businessman who had been impatient weeks before. "I'm sorry," he said. "I was rude last time. I've been thinking about it. And I want to thank you for your kindness and patience." Ali smiled. "No problem, sir. We all have our busy days." The businessman nodded and said, "I've learned something from you. You don't need to hurry through life. Patience, kindness, and hard work are the most important things." Ali was glad the businessman understood. Ali didn't have a big house or a fancy car. He didn't have many things. But he had something more important. He had love, respect, and peace in his heart. Every day, he helped people, worked hard, and treated everyone with kindness. People loved him for it. And in return, they came back to his stand. Not just for the food, but for his positive attitude. One day, a woman who had bought sandwiches from Ali for years said, "Ali, you are the richest man I know. You may not have money or a big house, but you have something more valuable. You have kindness." Ali smiled. He didn't need money to be rich. He was rich in heart. Years passed. And Ali's children grew up. They went to school, learned about business, and started their own jobs. But every day, they would visit their father's stand. One of Ali's children asked, "Father, why did you start selling food on the street?" Ali looked at his children and said, "I started because I wanted to provide for you and our family. But more than that, I wanted to show you that it's not just about money. It's about how you treat people. It's about giving back to the world." His children understood. They carried his lessons with them every day. Thank you for listening to this story on Tales Fluency. If you enjoyed hearing about Ali's life lessons, Please like this video. Subscribe to the channel. And turn on the bell icon to stay updated with more stories that teach English and inspire you to live better. Tales Fluency believes that every story has a lesson. One you can learn in English. Vocabulary highlights. Vendor. A person who sells goods. Often on the street. Kindness. The quality of being friendly. Generous. And caring. Patience. The ability to wait without getting angry or upset. Smile. The act of showing happiness or friendliness with your face. Hard work. Working with effort and determination. Businessman. A person who works in business or runs a company. Save. To keep money or things for the future. Respect. Showing care and appreciation for others. Legacy. Something handed down from one generation to the next. Rich. Having a lot of wealth. Or having a lot of good qualities.